Good morning, students. This is Vijay Lakshmi here, your accounts teacher. Nowadays we are doing topic trial balance. In my previous module I explained you practical question number 2. Today we will do practical question number 4. Following balances were extracted from the books of Ravinder Associates as at 31st March 2017. Now balances of trial balance are given. At the end is given, you are required to prepare the trial balance, treating the difference as his capital. Now जो भी दोनों sides का बेटा difference आएगा, that will be treated as capital. Now सबसे पहले तो हम ledger balances को we will transfer them in the format of trial balance. Now first, and it is to be prepared trial balance as at 31st March 2017. Format, name of accounts, ledger folio, debit balance and credit balance. First of all, sundry debtors. Debtors are asset, debit side. Assets are shown in debit side. Creditors, credit balance, credit side. Rent and taxes, debit side. Purchase, debit side. Sales, credit side. Then trade expenses, debit side. Return outward means purchase return, so it will be shown in credit side. Return inward, sales return, debit side. Expenses, they have debit balance, debit side. Motor vehicle asset, debit side. Electricity expense, debit side. Stock on 1st April 2016, opening stock, debit side. Fixtures and fittings asset, debit side. Bad debts written off, मतलब जो पैसा डूब गया है, it is loss for the business, debit all losses. Rent received from sublet of premises, कि जो business premises को rent हमने लिया हुआ है उसका कुछ part is given on rent and rent is received from that particular tenant. So rent received, income, credit side. Loan from Mukul, liability, credit side. Interest on loan, expense, debit side. Drawings have debit balance, debit side. Cash in hand, debit side. Now last item is given, stock on 31st March 2017. Closing stock, it is not adjusted, so it is not shown in trial balance. Now we have to make the total of both the sides and difference of total to be treated as capital. नाउ इफ़ वी मेक, अब यहाँ पे बेटा एक लाइन हमने पहले से ही छोड़ देनी है टोटल करने से पहले. यहाँ पे अगर मैं टोटल का कॉलम्स हम बनाएंगे यहाँ पे लाइक दिस, लीव वन लाइन बिफोर दैट टोटल. अब रफ में अगर हम डेबिट की सारी साइड्स का टोटल करेंगे, डेबिट ऑफ टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड विल बी 65,47,000. ये डेबिट टोटल है. And total of credit side will be 59,40,000. Credit side का total कम है बेटा, and difference when we calculate it will come 6,07,000. और उन्होंने क्या बोला, difference to be treated as capital. अब यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम capital, ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे बैलेंसिंग फिगर और क्रेडिट साइड में कैपिटल को लिख देंगे 6,07,000. नाउ टोटल ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स विल बी इक्वल, इट विल बी 65,47,000. 65,47,000 टोटल हमने लास्ट में इक्वली लिखना है. यहाँ कैपिटल बोला था तो बैलेंसिंग फिगर को कैपिटल की फॉर्म में लिखा है. अदरवाइज वी कैन राइट सस्पेंस ऑल्सो टू द बैलेंसिंग फिगर, राइट. I hope it is clear to you now. Thank you children. Thank you very much. Question number 5 is your homework. 5. 6 will do in next module.